Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I have a smiley package from Amazon, or if it's hubby, it's a, oh no, not another diamond painting package. Okay, I have opened it because I needed to know whether it was diamond paintings or whether it was other stuff that we order from Amazon. But anyway, this is diamond paintings, so let's have a look. Just a quick unboxing on this one. Okay, so this is a pack of 2 paintings that I've got. I will put the details down below. Should have been £8.99, and with my Vipon coupon I got these for £4.49. So £2.25 each for a diamond painting. Just get them out the packaging. At these prices, it would be rude not to buy them. Okay, so let's have a look at the first one. It's a pack of 2 that sort of complement each other. Let's see, where's the opening? Where's the opening? Is there an opening? Oh, they do like to confuse me with these. Let me get my scissors. That's probably the quickest way to do it, Liz, because we will spend all day looking for the edges. And you know I'm no good at looking for edges. Okay, right. We are in. And let's have a look. It is a poured glue, which I do like my poured glue. Looks like we're a 30 by 30 full canvas size. Nice packet of drills. Got the extra tab there. Yep, an extra bit of plastic. Thank you very much. Basic toolkit. Got a 3-placer there, wax boat and a single placer pen. So nothing to write home about, but enough to do your project. Okay, so we have a sun and a moon, and I just thought it's a bit different for me. I've not got anything like this. Nice smiley face sun, well, not smiley but contemplative, I think, sun there, and then the moon's asleep. Do you think she's bored him and she's thought, well, that's great, here I am chatting away to you and you've just gone to sleep? Okay, let's see if I can do this plastic, just straighten it out a little bit without making it worse. Oh, we've got one side done. So poured glue is brilliant. They do mainly come with the clear covers. Always just double check though, if you're not sure if it is poured glue or double-sided tape, if you just use your finger or your nail and just tap at the corner here, just rub along at the corner. If it starts to come up as like a separate layer, then that means it is double-sided tape, and that's basically like a sticky tape, a sellotape that has been put over the canvas, and you have to treat those with a bit more care. But poured glue tends to be a little bit more robust, and as you can see, the wrinkles on this one are actually the cover sheet and not the canvas underneath, and by doing that, that's really flattened that out as well. I don't re-roll any of my canvases. I do keep them all flat. I have an A3, well, a couple of A3 folders now, an A2 folder and an A1 folder that I keep all my diamond paintings flat in, and they just go between the mattresses in the spare bedroom, and it just keeps them nice and flat and in nice condition until I come to use them. So it's quite good, this. We've got a key code at both sides. There is 19 colours, and they're all nice clear symbols and capital letters. The drill field is looking pretty good there, and you can see, I always think the dark colours are the ones that show up if you're going to get any problems. But yeah, they look pretty good. White. The ones with the dark colours on the dark are a little bit of a problem for me with my eyesight, but to be honest, they look pretty clear symbols. So I don't foresee any problems. Seeing any problems. Oh dear, I'm not speaking English today. It's coming out in Liz Gobbledygook. Right, let's just have a quick measure. Sorry about my hand. My burn still hasn't healed yet, so it still looks a bit Halloween-y. Maybe if it's still there by Halloween, you might actually get to see it. I'm hoping it'll heal by then. So the actual canvas size, yeah, is the 30 centimetres. So the actual drill field, the size of your drills is about 24 3/4, just under 25 centimetres, which is about 9 3/4 inches. And I would think it'll be the same this way. Yeah, just under 25 centimetres, 9 3/4 inches. So yeah, that's pretty standard when you get a poured glue canvas, that you do lose the edge, which is 5 or 6 centimetres usually, about 3 centimetres each side, which fair enough. I don't mind. You know, as long as I know. I have noticed a lot of companies now, particularly on Amazon, are actually, if you scroll through the different photographs that they show you, they will actually show you a picture of the canvas, and it will show you the size of the canvas, and then it also gives you the measurements, the size of the drill field as well. So that's pretty good. It's something that they're catching on to now, that people do want to know. But these are good because if you have an IKEA anywhere near you, the 30 by 30s, because they are that bit smaller, will fit into one of their 25 by 25 square frames, because sometimes squares are a little bit harder to get hold of than your rectangular frames. And obviously, being IKEA, they are that little bit cheaper. Have a quick look at the drills. Crinkly plastic. There's some lovely colours in this. Okay, so 19 colours. And we have DMC codes on the canvas, but there's none on the packets. That is just the canvas number. So if you get your drills muddled up, you have got your number there. I'm going to put these in a little bag and put my stickers on them, so I won't lose them. If I can find my sheet of stickers. Yeah, I've got my sheet of stickers here. These are just downloaded free of charge from Rebecca, 4Kids at 147. So you can put one sticker on your canvas, one sticker on your drills, if you do keep them separately, which I do. And I do find that that is a really handy way to keep everything indexed and know where everything is, and keep it tidy, and then I can find everything as well. Rebecca has a website as well. You can buy these if you've not got the facility to print anything out, and that's Add More Zest, addmorezest.com. If you check her shop, she's got lots of different things as well, and she does have a YouTube channel, so check that out as well. I've had lots of ideas from Rebecca. She's a lovely lady and is just great at sharing all her ideas. And as I say, she did have these stickers as a free download for everybody, which is marvellous. And I do like that part of crafting. Sharing is caring, I always say. Right, let's have a quick look at these colours anyway. Waffling on, Liz, waffling on. I don't know. A 2-minute video ends up at 2 days when I finish. So we've got like a sagey green, a grey, a lovely deep purple there. That's a lovely colour. A sand colour, lovely sunny yellow, and like a mustardy yellow, a deep blue. These must be all the moon. She does look fed up that he's gone to sleep. Another blue, another green, some browns and a rust, and then a very dark blue, and like an orangey colour, a very dark orangey colour, a nice aqua colour, another palish green, blue, like an aqua green, and another like sandy beigey colour there as well. So that's the colours of that one, which, so I do think nice, that one, like that one. Okay, so let's have a look at the one that matches with it, and I am going to cut this one open because I am not fighting with plastic bags any longer. They will come open. These are just the soft plastic bags as well, they're not the crinkly ones, which is nice. Don't make quite such a loud noise while I'm trying to record. Oops, look, my camera's slipping down. There you are. Just move it slightly there. Yeah, my tripod, I think the screw mechanism is going on where the camera is held, where my phone is held on it, and it gradually gets lower and lower and lower and lower as I'm filming. So you'll actually be on my desk by the end of this video, possibly. Okay, so again we have another sun and a moon, another same basic toolkit, just with a 3-placer there. But this is less ornate, this is more of a plain one. The moon again is very plain, and the sun, although she has got a little bit of decoration on, is again quite a plain one. But we do have a bit more decoration in the corner there. But yeah, and again the moon's gone to sleep there, and the sun's looking as if to say, yep, you've gone to sleep. That's me when I'm talking to hubby sometimes as well. Some of the medication he's on does make him sleep, and I'll be talking away and then I'll look across and he's snoring. Oh dear. But yeah, it's quite an iconic image, isn't it? The sun and the moon intertwined together there. So a nice set of them, and it's just something that I've not had before, and I thought, yeah, when I saw them, I say on a special offer, right, I'll have those. So this one just has 18 different colours, again DMC codes, and again nice clear symbols and letters there, which you can't see any problems. Those M's are very, very clear on there. See if I can just get a bit closer there. Sorry about the glare, but yeah, they are very, very clear, the white on there. I tend to find M's can be quite, I think because they're squashing quite a largish letter into a small gap, I think sometimes M's can be a little bit difficult to see, and they can tend to be blurry. Let's get these out of here. Okay, all right, different packaging. They've got the blue stripes, blue and silver stripes on them, and these have just got the white stripes, which is strange when it's sort of the same. I mean, the canvas is identical, obviously apart from the picture, but then we've got a different package drills. Hey ho. We'll see what they are like when we do the canvas. So let's start at number 1. Okay, so lovely bright yellow, and that is 310 black, and a sagey green again, grey, brown. Oh, look at that, like a very nearly a neon green, that one, lovely. And a nice blue, and oranges and russets. They're all your sun colours, and then your blues for your sky, and your darker blues for your night sky, and then again a sandy colour, and an orangey pumpkin colour. Ooh, coming up drills and chills, and another green and another blue. They look pretty good drills. As I say, you can't really tell until you start using them, but yeah, I'm quite happy with this at £2.25 each. They are very, very good. So let's just get those labels put on and get these drills put away. So I have now organised my drills and my canvases so that each folder has canvases in. I've got one that's got all 30s and 30 by 40s, one that's got specials and 30 by 30s, and one that has all my bigger paintings, and then one that has all my double-sided tape ones that are 30 by 40. I seem to have had a real splurge on 30 by 40s recently. I think it's because I've been getting all the special offers, and it seems to be that size is the most popular. Let me just find a pen. So, and then each storage box that I've got has the drills for that one in. So that folder has those, I know they're in that box. And that folder, the canvases, I know that the drills are in that box. So I am getting a little bit more organised, and I will do my craft room tour. But I do need to just tweak a little bit more. It's never going to be perfect. Hubby just keeps laughing at me. I'm going to put sun, moon, and I'll just put the code number on this as well, SD618, and it's a round drill. And then put the same on the other side, SD618, and it's a round, and I'll put the same on this one, but put the code number that relates to this. So yeah, as I say, hubby keeps saying to me, you're never going to be tidy, so you might as well just do the video and show everybody how messy you are. She said, oh, thanks a lot. You can always rely on your hubbies to bring you back down to earth when you're trying to be so tidy. Right, these are just cellophane card bags that I've got left over from my selling of cards. And again, I like to repurpose, reuse things. Don't throw anything away. I used to buy them in bulk. In like 300 and 1,000 at a time. So I have got a lot of them left. So I thought, well, I might as well use them for my diamond painting. Just keeps things tidy. Okay, so you put the one on the canvas and the one on the drills. So the canvas will go in my folder and that will go in my box. And same with the other one, just make sure I've got the right ones with the right ones. So even with these, look, some of them have got the sticky on them, self-seal, and some of them, the cheaper ones. I must have gone through a cheapskate phase because I've got some that don't have the sticky on. And then these are ones I've printed out myself, so they're not brilliant sticky, I'm afraid, these labels. They do the job. Okay, so they're all ready to be put away. Right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this quick little video and seeing these. If you have, just give me a like. And if you want to see these completed and see what else I get up to, then if you press the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next video has come up. But thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.